Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a whole chicken with skin and we will make it in two different flavors. So let's begin with the video. Here I have a whole chicken which weighs about 1 kg. It got delivered very clean, but I still gave this a good wash and allowed the excess water to drain out. Now with the help of a toothpick, scissors, knife or any other sharp object, you can make some holes in the chicken. Now let's start with marination. Adding pink Himalayan salt as per taste. And mix this really well all over the chicken. Once done, turn sides and repeat the same process from the other side as well. We'll add some more salt from the whole. Because we are cooking this chicken as a whole, we really need to ensure that all the salt, masalas and other spices get really mixed well. I will add little more salt from the cut near the neck as well. Now I'm adding few drops of soy sauce from top and will again mix it really well. Once done, repeat the same process from the other side as well. Add few drops of soy sauce and mix this really well. Once done, I'm adding few drops of lemon as well. I'm adding lemon juice of 1/2 of a medium sized lemon. Give this a good mix. Turn sides. And add lemon from the other side as well. Remove the seeds if any. I allowed the marination to rest for about an hour. Here I have some ginger, garlic and green chili paste. We'll add about 2 to 3 spoons of this inside the chicken. But I will not add this ginger, garlic and chili paste from the outside. I want to give a different flavor from the outside and this ginger garlic flavor from inside. So in the same chicken, we will have two different flavors and two different tastes. Make sure to put the paste really well. Once we are done mixing the paste really well, adding some roughly chopped carrot. I used about 2 carrots in this entire recipe. Here I have some onion as well and will put them inside the chicken as well. Onion and potatoes go really well in this recipe. Here I have some fresh coriander and I'm adding about a spoon of olive oil. Pinch of black pepper powder in this. This is just to add some flavor in the coriander. Mix this well and put it inside the chicken as well. And our filling is all done and ready. Now with the help of a clean thread, I will tie this properly. We need to tie the chicken properly so that all the filling that we have put inside cooks really well and they do not come out while we are cooking. Once done with the marination and filling, it's time to start cooking. Here I am heating up a frying pan and will add about half a spoon of butter. Allow it to melt. Now adding pinch of thyme and also pinch of rosemary. Adding little more thyme. So from the outside our chicken will have this thyme and rosemary flavor. I'm adding little more butter. Once the butter melts and it gets the rosemary and thyme flavor, I will keep half of it aside. Now place the chicken properly in the frying pan and will pour the remaining butter from top. Allow this to cook in low flame for about 10 minutes. Now I am adding some roughly chopped potatoes, carrots, and also onions in it. Adding little more butter from top. Will cover and allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So it is cooking properly. After about 15 minutes, I will sprinkle some black pepper powder from top. I am also adding little more salt because we did not add salt in the veggies that we have added. Lightly mix it. After about 5 minutes, I will keep the veggies aside because we need to flip sides of the chicken. And now I will turn the chicken very carefully. And look at this beautiful golden brown color. I wasn't very sure whether we will get this beautiful brown color while cooking in a frying pan or not, but yes, I'm really happy with the color. Now I will add the potatoes, carrots and onions one more time. Cover and allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now with the help of a knife, I am checking whether the chicken is properly cooked or not. And it has become very soft and it's cooked well. I will cook it for about 2-3 more minutes without a cover. And we are done. Here I am taking a steel plate because we need to cut the chicken as well. And will transfer it. Now I will cut the thread and will untie the chicken. Now with the help of a clean kitchen knife or scissors, you can cut this chicken in your desired pieces. Because the chicken is properly cooked, it will not be that difficult to cut this into pieces. And we are done. Let's start plating it. I am serving this in a plain white plate. And I am really loving the color of these pieces. I am serving this with almonds mayonnaise, but you can serve this with any variety of mayonnaise that you like. You will get a link to this recipe in the description box below. Now I am adding some veggies as well from the side. And this looks very juicy and tasty. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.